Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this bracelet. So our materials, I have 3 colors of size 8. I'm going to use all seed beads. So I have 3 colors of 8O seed beads and 1 color of 11O seed beads, and I have magnetic clasp. And also I'll be using my size 11 beading needle, and this is the thread I'm gonna use. So let's begin. These are all size 8. So this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. So I pick up 3 of my size 11 and my A, and then 3 of my 11, and then my B, and then 3 11 and my C. So this is 311, my A, size 8, 311, B of 80, and 311, C of my 80 seed bead. So I'll just leave like 8 inches to work on my other side later, to put the magnetic clasp. So I have to pass through all the beads, and then pass through again until the first, after my A 80 and the first 11. So my thread is coming out from 11 after 80 yellow. So I'm picking up my A, then pick up 3 11, pass through. This is my B, so I'm going to pass through up after B and the first 11. Then next I'll pick up my B, then pick up 3 11, pass through. This is my C, I'll pass through the next 11, then I'll pick up my C and 3 11, so this is how we go to the next level. So I pick up my C and 3 11, I'm going to pass. This is my A, I'll pass to 11, my A, and 11. So we can step up. Then we go back to A, pick up A, and then 3 11, oops, then pass through 11 after B, then pick up B and 3 11, pass through 11 after C, then I'll pick up my C, and then my 311, then I'm stepping up, so I have to pass, this is 11, and my C, and exit to 11. So I'm going to start to my A again, 1A, and then 311, pass through 11 after B, then I'll pick up my B, and 311, then I'll pass through 11 after my C, then I'll get C, and 311, and I'm stepping up, so I have to pass through 11, and then my A, and exit to there. So I'm going to start to my A again, so pick up A, and then 311, pass through 11 after B, pick up B, and 311, and pass through 11 after C, then pick up C, and 311, and pass through, we are stepping up, 11, and A, and 11, okay, I'll start with A again, and 311, pass through 11 after B, then pick up B, and 311, and pass through 11 after C, then pick up C, and 311, and I'm stepping up, so I pass through 11, A, and 11, so I'll do it one more time, my A, and then 311, pass through 11 after B, then I'll pick up my B, and 311, pass through 11 after C, then I'll pick up my C, and 311, and I'm stepping up, So I pass through 11, A and 11, and going to start again. So I'll just continue adding my beads until I reach my the length that I want. Pick up A and 311 and pass through 11 after B, and then pick up my B and 11 and pass through 11 after C, and then I'll pick up my C and 311, then I pass through 11, my A and 11. So I think I got the length that I want. Pass my needle, and then the 311, then C, 311, so I pick up to my 11, and I can attach my clasp, then pick up another 2, So I'll do the same on the other side. Hope you like it. Guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.